the Sing and Talk fridge. I don't know, it's Korean or I don't know, it's English, but we have to hear it. So let's open the box.
Let's open it up. That was easier than I thought.
What's this?
I don't know what that is.
Oh, yeet it, yeet!
How about we unbox it with this?
I'm sorry.
Pull it out.
Oh my god, it's a little heavy than I expected. Yeah. Oh.
We don't want it to fall.
We don't want it to fall. So far, so good. Oh, God.
Stickers?
Louise.
Stickers. It came with stickers.
Okay, with stickers. Yes.
Let's open it.
All right.
What's in here?
Oh, there's Seiyu. Seiyu. Oh, it's Korean. All right. Let me get this out.
We'll take this out.
Let's take that out.
There we go.
I'll take this out. I'll hold it.
No. There we go. Ow.
Ow.
Here.
Put it in there. And this is Seiyu's fridge.
I don't really know what this is. It might be cups in here. I don't know.
And there's a little bit of ice cream.
Yes.
I'll help you open the fridge.
I'll just open this.
Okay.
So guys, let's put this box over on this side.
Oh my god.
In the meanwhile, Timmy's trying to get that open. Oh, he already did. I'm gonna open this.
Oh. There we go. Alright, here's the carrot cake, corn, strawberry, and then
Fish.
oh, a green fish to be exact, not a blue fish.
I don't know what this is, but it might make sense once we build it up.
Yeah, it might make sense.
I think this is the carton of milk.
Okay.
A
Whoa. So guys,
Now, I don't really know what this is, but it might make sense for when you go up
yeah.
and put stickers on. A cup?
The strawberry is starting to split open.
And ice cream.
Alright.
Now, this is what the inside of the fridge looks like.
Yeah. If you don't know
And we're
this,
gonna put all of these in here, and we're also gonna apply stickers.
yeah, but there's a little indent in here, right there. That's where you put water,
Stop.
but you can't close it.
Let's see if it can talk. So let's remove this.
It's kind of soft, but it's kind of.
It just keeps repeating.
Yeah. So now we're gonna open the fridge.
And we're gonna stack everything up and apply stickers.
Yeah, but I want to see what it sounds like.
But first we had to open the stickers.
Carrot.
Is it someone's birthday today?
Next. Okay. Where do I put it?
We're gonna apply some stickers. We need to apply some stickers on the milk.
Okay.
So let's put
I'm
in.
gonna remove Seiyu. So guys, our dad's gonna be at work, so this is just part 1. I'll show you part 2 later on, so thank you so much for watching part 1.